You want to blur your video background to look like this. Now this is what my normal background used to look like. So let me show you how I took this background from looking like this to this, all of this on CapCut.
So now we're on CapCut. You click on new project. You look for the video which you want to blur. For me, I will use this 60 seconds long video. I'll click on it and I'll click on add. Now I'll also click on this video again. Now what I'm going to do here now is I will look for the duplicate button to duplicate this video now. So this is it. I'll click on duplicate. After clicking on duplicate, I'll go back to the original video now and look for effects. Click on video effects, look for lens. This is lens. Look for we're on lens now. You look for blur. You click on blur. You see these three lines now. These three lines will enable you to either adjust this volume up or the volume of the blur up or down. So click on it. You can adjust it this way or bring it down this way. For me, I prefer leaving mine at 48. Perfect. You click on this. Now you will look for, you have to remember to reduce the volume of this video. So now we click on this and look for volume. Now adjust this down to the end. Perfect. Now you go to that video now that you duplicated, this one now, and you look for overlay. This is overlay. Click on overlay. You adjust it now. You adjust this video now towards the end of that original video. Please make sure that they are both aligning. Make sure that they're aligning. Now this is it. It's perfect. It's aligning. You click on this one now. Now you look for remove background. This is remove background. You click on remove background. Click on auto remover. Now you're going to allow, you see this white thing now that is going round, applying one feature. Allow it to go round, allow the whiteness to go round so that the whole background in this video now will be blurred. It won't take much time, just some seconds and everything will be okay. So you see the background is removed. You clicked here. Now let's see what we have here. Perfect. You see your background is blurred. This is what we are talking about.
Thank you for watching my video up to this time. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. See you in my other videos. Bye.